Hey yo, it's Chris O. I'm just about to start my first row. I've zapped around with my laser level. Got my first line to start off. Look at this. I replace my notch trowel a lot. You know, I always get new trowels. $13. That is ridiculous, you know, cheap. God, prices are going up and everything, but tools, whew, that's so cheap. Years ago they were so expensive, you'd hang on to them. Now I nearly you know, like every second bathroom I replace my trowel. They wear out a little bit quicker. They're a softer steel and that sort of thing, but God, at $13, you just move them on, Charlie. I haven't got my wedges. We'll be back in a minute. Okay, we're good to go. This is going to be a bit of a hassle, that plastic, but we'll get around it. Where's your hammer, Chris O? Where's your rubber hammer, mate? Once you have your first row all nice and straight and plumb level, you're home and hose, you're good to go. All you do is adjust your line or adjust tiles to your line. "99% of my bathrooms that I do are all matched lines, which means the tile goes up off your floor tile line. So that's why you always try and have a nice set out on your floor, because it gets replicated onto your walls. Once you get your first row perfect, you're laughing. Don't be in a huge hurry or anything like that. It's very important, because once you get your first row bang on, you're laughing. Just like that. Crimp it up. Things are a little bit squeezy until you get started. Right, there we have it. I will just check that in a sec with a fine tooth comb just to make sure I'm bang on. That's how you have it. you check it for straight, people. And your home and hose. We'll see you soon. I'll just do my final check now that that's absolute bang on, and then I'll carry on up my wall. Your first row is always the most important because that is the start of your building block, so to speak. So you must be nice and straight, level, plumb, and you're good to go. See you soon.